Hold on, don't!
Take your feet crossed and your arms crossed at all times.
This episode of Check In with the Gskis is called
Stitch Birthday Party!
What's up, Gski family? Welcome back to the channel. We're wearing matching shirts. We got a backdrop behind us, and we're at the farm, the garden, Marvin's garden, our family farm. That means
our favorite event of the year.
That's right. It can only mean one
Especially
thing.
Dad's.
Definitely my favorite event of the year. It's the kids' birthday party. Hopefully Stitch doesn't blow over behind us, but it's actually perfect weather today, considering it's been almost 100 degrees the previous couple of days.
Well,
but today
it has shown rainy, so
Yeah.
we're looking out with some sun.
a little bit of a dark cloud behind us, but it's bringing some shade and some overcast and cooler weather, which is a lot better for us to have this birthday party outside like we always do. And of course, guys, cue the mom rolling her eyes. I know you can't see it behind her glasses, but this is the day that we're gonna go do some slow motion, some trick shots, some awesome things. One thing we've never done before, using a drone trick shot. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for that, assuming weather permitting. We're gonna do something we've never done with the drone and do something with the water slide like we do every year, so stay tuned for that. Of course, we have the kids' birthday party going on, and it's gonna be epic, it's gonna be fun, we're gonna have a blast. Just a big shout out to everyone who's helped us set up, because it was a big undertaking for us every single year, but it's always worth it because the party is always one of our favorite things every single year. So besides this big giant water slide, which we'll get to, you guys, we'll get to that. That's gonna be during Adult Swim. We usually let the kids have fun with it. Right now, actually, all the kids are doing something they love, and of course that is face painting. We do hire a face painter that comes over here every single year, paint the kids' faces, give them something cool, and it's waterproof. So that's the key to that. When you have a water party, you don't want that to wash off immediately. So let's go check in on Aria and Isla and see what they're getting on their face. Almost. Oh, you got an arm tattoo? That's pretty cool. Oh, you caught it with your leg!
Okay? No, don't throw it! I almost slipped because I'm climbing up this slide right now. Don't throw the ball at me! Barbara's gonna throw the ball at me. Don't! Just press on them, and once they get mostly flat, you're dead. I want to catch it! I'm about to go sit down slide. Wow, what's up? How did you do that? Sorry. Do a sleep chat.
Well guys, kids are having a blast, especially on the water slide. Kids got their face painted done, and a lot of it done already, and I think it's time to go sing happy birthday to the kids, so some of the other guests can leave when they need to leave. I think a lot of the kids are actually having a fun time, so it's gonna probably be hard for some of the parents to make their kids leave, unfortunately. But yeah, let's go sing happy birthday to the kids, then smash that piñata. Sorry Stitch, but it's time to smash you and find out what's inside.
Happy birthday, Gloria. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, first try.
Okay, who wants to get the bacon first?
Are y'all ready to smash the piñata?
Go easy on us.
Why would you want to hurt Stitch? One-handed. Go, Addie, go, go, go. Whoa! Whoa! I'm trying to save Stitch.
You gotta be quicker than that.
Wait. It is now adult swim time. There's still a few kids left and they are catching the ball as well, having some fun. But I think it's now time for us to have some fun. If you know, you know. You guys know that we've been doing this for a long time and we're about to do some trick shots. And I think the weather's nice enough for us to get the drone in the air, try to drop a ball and try to catch it while sliding down. That's probably gonna be the hardest challenge that we do today. Let's see if we can accomplish it. Get this on video. Here we go. That whipped on me. And it fell over. Oh, he caught it. He kicked it. All right. Oh, look. You got like nut something. You gotta touch the ball. You caught two. Oh God. Deflate it.
day and I'm gonna go down the slide and I'm so scared. Ugh, this is scary.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Just go. I promise you it's safe.
Are you going first or me?
I could show you.
Okay, show me. You go first.
If you go in the middle, it's 20%.
Okay. All right. Oh my God, I can't. All right, Michael said I didn't even record myself, so here I go. Hold on, don't push me. Hold on, don't.
Put your feet crossed and your arms crossed at all times.
Well, we got Mom on the water slide there at the very end. Pretty epic. All because of lifeguard Aria. I think she encouraged Mom to do that. And telling her how to properly go down the slide, which was pretty fun in itself to watch Aria show Mom how it's done to go down that big giant water slide, which I think was the life of the party. Was that y'all's favorite part of the party?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that concludes the party, everyone, and it was one epic party for us. Unfortunately, it got really windy there at the end, and we couldn't really get the drone to drop the ball on the water slide. It was already hard enough to drop it inside of the pool, which is a much larger drop zone, if you will, than the water slide. So we just decided to stick with the pool, and even then Josh almost got hurt jumping onto the side there, if you saw that. But it was also a lot of fun. Maybe next year it won't be as windy, although I do prefer it to be windy because it definitely made it less hot for us with wind blowing a little bit there. So anyways, guys, a big trip coming up for us, a Disney party. We will go from one Stitch party to another Stitch party, but it's actually really not just a party. It's just us going to Disney World, guys. Going back there, staying at the Riviera Resort, which will be lots and lots of fun.
I smell cookies.
Make sure you guys are stay tuned for that. Let us know if you want to see more videos of us at the garden, our family farm. There's lots to do over there. All kinds of farm animals, cows and chickens. And we grow a lot of crops and other things there. So let us know if you want to see more content from there. But for now, we're going on another trip. So we'll see you as we wake up bright and early to go back to Disney. And this time,
back to Disney.
We have some special guests joining us. So stay tuned for that. Thanks. Thanks for liking and subscribing. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday,
Yes.
It's the Gskis vibe. We're the ones on your screen keeping dreams alive. From the highs to the lows, yeah, we're telling it all. Just to the call. Check it. It's the Gskis vibe. We're the ones on your screen keeping dreams alive. From the highs to the lows, yeah, we're telling it all. This is your front row seat, so just to the call. Check in, it's the Gskis vibe. We're the ones on your screen keeping dreams alive. From the highs to the lows, yeah, we're telling it all. This is your front row seat, so just to the call.